Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing an environment that isolates changes. Create and activate a venv so package versions stay predictable. Once done, install requests for HTTP, Beautiful Soup for HTML parsing, and Pandas to store results as data frame. Next, write a small script file and import those modules. Run a quick get to a known URL to confirm networking works. Making these steps smallest first prevents wasted debugging later and gets you into extracting actual data immediately. You now fetch and parse content reliably, call requests. Get with a timeout and handle non-200 codes gracefully. Then parse with Beautiful Soup, choosing parser based on speed and HTML quirks. Once parsed, query elements using CSS selectors or find all patterns to target lists, tables, or attributes. As you extract, normalize values, strip whitespace, convert numbers, handle dates, so data frame creation later is straightforward. This disciplined parsing reduces errors when structure varies. You finalize by converting cleaned records into a Pandas data frame, which makes analysis and export trivial, used to CSV or to SQL depending on needs. Once data is saved, include basic logging and retries around network calls so intermittent failures don't corrupt output. If something goes wrong, validate your schema and check for missing keys or unexpected HTML changes. Adding simple assertions and a single retry with backoff often fixes transient issues without manual intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.